Okay, so we're reviewing for the 9 weeks test. So let's start with this first one where we have to find the slope of the equation y equals negative 6x plus 8. Now, whenever we have this form of y equals mx plus b, remember that m is our slope, so the number next to x, and then b is our y-intercept. So negative 6 is going to be our slope, so it's c. Now, if it's the second one is asking us to find the y-intercept, but it's not in the y equals mx plus b form. So what we can do is we can either solve for y, or if we set x equal to 0, that should be our y-intercept because our y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. So we should know that. Now, if we do that and we replace x with 0, we can see that we have a 0 there and that goes away. So all we have to do is divide by 3 on both sides, and y will be equal to 5. So that's our slope. So moving on, we simplify this expression. We're subtracting. So what we need to do before we subtract, if I can get a little bit closer here. So the thing that's most important that we need to do is that we need to distribute this negative since we're subtracting. So it's a negative 1, which means we're going to have 2m minus 6 and then negative 1 times 8. So negative 8 and negative 1 times negative 4, which is positive 4m. So now we combine our like terms, which are 2m and 4m. So 2 plus 4 is 6m. And negative 6 minus 18, which is negative 14. So our answer is D. Now we're looking for the graph that shows the function y is equal to x over 3 plus 2. Now this is again in y equals mx plus b, so y equals mx plus b. So we're able to find our slope and our y-intercept in this case. Our slope here is 1 over 3, and our y-intercept is 2. Now we need to see where we have a y-intercept of 2, and there's only 2 other graphs that have it. So A and C are not answers. But we can also see that our slope is positive. And in B, the line is going down, so the slope should be negative. Therefore, the only possible answer is D. And now let's try simplifying this. Now, with this, there's no extra steps. All we need to do is combine like terms since we're adding. So we're going to combine 3a and negative 2a. So that's 3 minus 2a, which leaves us with 1a squared. Then we have negative 4a plus 5a. That's negative 4 plus 5 leaves us with positive a, 1a. And then negative or 6 and 8 added together gives us a total of 14. So our simplified version is answer B.